This video will introduce you to your new best friend in research, the library catalog. You should use the catalog when searching for books, ebooks, DVDs, specific journals, and other materials like games and atlases. If you're searching for journal articles, head over to our videos about database searching. To get started searching, head to beloit.edu/library. Then scroll down to the large gray box. Here you can search by title, subject, or author. You can refine your search by using the features on the left side of the results page. Here you can limit to materials just owned by Beloit College, the format, years published, and more. The white bar at the top of the page shows you which filters are active for your search. To get rid of a filter, you can simply hit the X and your search will automatically refresh. If you want to keep filters throughout a search session, check the Retain Filters box. From the results page, you can see where an item is shelved, or if it's an ebook, you can click a link that will take you directly to the resource. Clicking the hyperlinked book title will give you more information on the source. On the detailed page, you can access the table of contents for most items, as well as the subject headings. Clicking on the hyperlinked subject heading will take you to a new search. This is a great way to refine your search. You're also able to place a book on hold from this page. You'll get an email once the item is ready for you to pick up at the info desk. The catalog also has an advanced search option, which is located on the dark gray bar under the search box. This has been a quick introduction to Beloit's catalog. If you have any questions, please let us know at libref@beloit.edu or through the Ask a Librarian page on the library's website.